You may choose to not own Adani stocks, but it goes without saying that you really cannot ignore them. Adani Group stocks have come under the limelight once again following a massive surge in their share prices in just 1 week. This rally has put the group's market cap back above the rupees 11 lakh crore mark at an almost 7-month high. It was last on February 1 that the group market cap was above this mark. At one point, it even slipped below rupees 7 lakh crore. The group market cap, which now stands at rupees 11.47 lakh crore, was severely hit after the Hindenburg report. Looking at the stock action this past week, Adani Group shares have rallied up to 21%. Adani Power was the top performer, followed by Adani Energy Solutions, which gained around 18%. On a month-to-date basis, 8 out of 10 group stocks have gained up to 48%. Analysts have listed 3 main reasons behind the surge. Number 1, strong quarterly performance. Quarterly performance of Adani stocks has been better than the previous few quarters, which is driving investor interest according to analysts. In Q1, group companies saw their combined net profit surge nearly 70% on year in the June quarter, helped by robust performance in the ports, power and green energy businesses. Combined profits of the Gautam Adani Group surged to rupees 12,850 crore in Q1. Number 2, promoter and FII buying. Slow and steady buying by foreign institutional investors such as GQG is being seen as a positive sign for the group as well as the investor community. Last week, GQG picked a 4.93% stake in Adani Ports, while it acquired an additional 7.73% stake in Adani Power. Furthermore, promoter group company Campus Trade and Investment increased its stake in Adani Enterprises from 67.65% to 69.87% earlier in the week. Number 3, eye on Supreme Court ruling. Securities and Exchange Board of India on August 14 moved the Supreme Court seeking a 15-day extension of the deadline to conclude its investigation into the US-based short seller Hindenburg's report on Adani Group companies. In the last 1 week, sentiment has been driven by the view that the outcome from the Supreme Court on August 29 would be a positive one with no major negatives, said Stocksbox research head Manish Chaudhary. He said one thing that investors need to keep an eye on for now is the Supreme Court ruling. Now the question remains, how should investors approach the shares of these companies? Adani Group shares are high beta stocks, so investors who have a high risk appetite can look to buy these shares, advised Pranti Batini of Wealth Mill Securities. For investors who are risk averse, these stocks are not for them, Batini added. That's all in this video. Thanks for watching.